Oh man, I should not have drank so much water at lunch.
Welcome back to the vlog. We're at Exotics at City Hall. Holy crap, it started snowing like crazy. There's some beautiful supercars here today. As you can see, oh my gosh, it's so cold. It looks like a BMW. And we got some Porsches over here if you look. Some Porsches over here. It's a good time, you guys. All right, cut, it's too cold. Ooh, there we go. All right, guys, we're all parked up next to a massive G-Wagon. It makes my car look tiny. All right, me and Dylan spotted something. What are we going to go look at?
Oh man, Huracan STO on some beautiful chrome wheels.
We spotted it from a distance just because it looks that good. And it's, I mean, look, we got all the cars out here starting to park, and it's all the way back here behind some trucks just hiding. Obviously, we're gonna go look at it.
I mean, it's just a Huracan STO, right? Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy, just this is probably the only one here.
For all of you out there, I'm absolutely in love with Huracans, especially the STO and the Performante, so.
Great cars. Can't go, oh, this thing is sick.
Oh, dude, those wheels.
The wing is crazy. SEO right there, so sick. Oh my gosh, bro. Perfect spec, what do you think?
Okay, so my dream spec, Huracan Performante, matte black, forged carbon, you know, very clean. This might be a competitor now.
The navy blue, I don't know what the color is called. I can't believe I just called it navy, but I don't know what else to call it.
It's like a dark navy royal.
It is, but the wheels.
Oh my God, Cedric, come here.
Oh my gosh, it has an exhaust. That's not factory exhaust, is it?
It might be. It might be. Dude, they should have bought this thing just before I got the McLaren.
It's hard to see, but it has gold engine cover, like the valve cover is gold. Underneath the yeah, incredible. Guys, this is not how I thought a supercar show would be. I should have just left my car at home, honestly. This is crazy. Holy crap. I might just end up sitting in my car until this snow stops. What are you gonna do? You look you look so happy.
I'm upset.
I'm upset too. This is insane. My lens is covered in water from the snow. That's a little better. It's crazy out here. Let me show you my view. Holy crap. Guys, a Pagani's pulling up. What? Holy crap, there it is. Incredible centerpiece for the show. This thing is just pictures and videos cannot do this car justice. Lamborghini soundtracks. Oh! Twin turbo Lambo. That thing hurt my ears. That was incredible. All right, guys. In case you don't know your McLarens, 720S. I don't know how he got that license plate, but that's super cool. Beautiful, giant carbon fiber spoiler. This like Miami blue color is so cool. Carbon fiber on the side mirrors. I love this thing. This thing looks incredible. Alright guys, the car meet was getting a little crazy. There's so many people and it kind of feels weird having like your car on display. I don't know, it's cool. People, come and take pictures and they like the cars and stuff, but it feels like, I don't know. I more enjoy the aspect of like using the car and driving the car rather than just like having it like, yo, like come check out my car. It's an enjoyable machine to use. So we're out here and we did a little rip around, the canyon and stuff, and Dylan wanted to come out and get some photos of it. So we're using the beautiful mountains as a backdrop. And Dylan's gonna work his magic with his camera because he's actually a really good photographer and he does it just as a hobby. He could literally make a profession out of this, but that's what we're doing right now. And it's a beautiful day out here. Holy smokes, look at these mountains. So nice.